Ooh, that you almost could like pull it off, I thought. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that almost pulled right out. Oh, God. Want to see something? I don't. Got it. Holy. We should have filmed that. You want to redo it and then kick it and pop it out like that?
No, I got it.
I know, but let's.
I have the phone.
Oh, did you just get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, let's hope the wheel comes off. And you got a purple Sharpie?
Yeah, I got a purple Sharpie. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller. It is the next morning, next afternoon. What you guys just saw was my dad and I getting the lug nut off. Finally, right? So here she sits. She's on 2 jack stands and a paint can. We are getting ready to put some spares on here for right now. Massive shout out to Tristan for bringing these, and we'll be able to move this car. So get her started, make sure she starts up fine, and then go about our day. We're gonna take this thing around the neighborhood and try to have some fun. Let's do it. So right now we are just putting the 2 stocks on this side. I'll worry about the works on this side when it's in the driveway. But to get her moving, take her around the hood, this is the setup. All right, so I know I just did the oil change. I just checked it, so we're good. This is what I need to fix. But for now, we just gonna set that. Hold on, hold it. All right, give me a second. All right, I think that's on there enough. Ryan, you wanna switch me real quick? See if I can get it started up. This whole thing is so hot. Everything you touch is super hot, so pray. You guys ready for this sound?
It's rolling back.
Yes,
Yeah! Open header dump. That's the way I like it. You better run over the paint bucket.
Alright, so the e-brake does not work.
E-brake don't work. Nope.
Alright, the battery will most definitely come disconnected or become disconnected because it's just touching it. That's the only thing that started the car. So we're gonna let it warm up. It has power steering.
Wow.
Actually, the last one leaked like a bitch. This was just buttery. So
damn.
We're gonna let it lift or take its way to being warm and go around the neighborhood here in a minute. Let's go! This is the biggest fuck you to vehicle to anybody who looks at it. Oh my God, it freaking moves. Oh my God, all right. Okay, brakes. We're gonna turn off the AC. I don't know if it works yet, but I think so. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go! Yes, move! Let's go! Fuck it, dude. We're taking it to advance. Fuck it. It's holding temp fine. So we're good. We're good, boys. All right, guys. So the exhaust dumps right there. I think it has a welded diff. I don't know. I'm literally like shaking. I'm so happy right now. We're not about to find out quite yet because I want it to still drive. It is so fun, dude. Oh my God. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Ryan and we're going to advance, boys.
Here we go.
It's holding temp right now. The windows work. I am extremely happy with my purchase right now.
For running, driving Miata. Has power steering. Everything.
Manual trans.
Beautiful.
could be a welded diff. I still don't know
Could be
yet.
a welded diff.
It really feels like it.
It sounded like it.
Kind of chirps. It kind of
Yeah.
chirps a little bit.
Falling everywhere. Oh, there's shit all over my thighs and everything.
Here she is, dude. That lifter tick calmed itself down with the new oil. Oh my lord. This is so great. I'm literally so happy right now, dude. Oh my god. Logan, thank you for letting me buy this. Holy shit, dude. She moves, she holding temp, she holding oil. We good, baby. Alright, update. It's getting a little warm. Getting a little warm.
It's getting a little excited.
For the liking. It was, the pin was doing a little dancey dance. Okay, so we're gonna let it cool down and we're gonna put coolant in it and go from there. Oh yeah, all right, so we got our trusted broom. We're about to take off the radiator cap, put some coolant in this thing. Here you go.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
We're good. We're gonna let it fizzle.
Bomb squad.
A little bit of fizzling, a little bit of sizzling got going on.
EOD. Woo! You might have to get a better angle on it. No, just like move to the right a little bit. That's not gonna work. Yeah. Ooh, steaming. Okay.
We're good, baby.
It's like a delayed impact, just blows up.
We're good. We're good, boys. We're good. Don't repeat this. You guys hear me around it? Don't do what I'm doing.
Do not do this at home. You will die.
You like literally might burn your face off.
Yeah, he was in the hospital for like 3 weeks.
Really?
Yeah. His shit was like way overheated and he completely forgot that it was gonna blow up. And
Dear
he just,
God.
he had his face like this, the face right over it, untwisted it, went right into his face.
All right, as you guys can pretty low. This is most definitely something I should have checked
Before we drove it.
before we drove it, for sure.
And revved it all the way up to...
4.5.
You were revving the piss out
It
of it.
sounded like it, but it was like 4.5. All right, we'll see you guys when this bitch is full. But she should be full. Took a lot of that bottle, but she was at like 75%. She was not pinned while driving. She pinned, she just like tapped it off right when we were pulling in here, so we're fine. I overheated like 8 times as bad in the other one. We're gonna start it up in a minute here to see if we can get some coolant circulating through this bitch and cool it down. She's back right in the middle. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit while I take this broom back in and make sure it doesn't go up anymore, so. We good? All right, like I said, boys, she's been idling while we were sitting in there, and she's actually running a little bit cooler than the 50%.
And he stalled.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, hold on. Try it again.
Battery died.
Well, I'll just
It wasn't recording,
Come
or
on.
it didn't die, but...
Woo, we good.
It came disconnected.
Oh, I stalled it.
Stalled it, the battery came disconnected.
It definitely has a welded diff, dude. That feels aggressive.
Oh yeah.
All right. Anyways, we're going home to see Spencer. Take him around the hood in this thing, and god damn, start to order some Fenders. Well, body kit anyways. All right, we made it back home. Spencer is here with us. Spencer, what are your first thoughts? It's clapped. it's a little clapped, but that's only because of the open headers. I don't know. You got any other thoughts? Are you excited to be in another one, dude? This shit's so funny.
I'm about to rip the clutch out like I did the last one.
Oh god, dude, here we go. Welded diff this time. I forgot I only zip tied the tops of the fenders. So they're kind of flying off right now, but that's okay. Right? Oh fuck. Ugh. Brakes are not the best, but we good. Bro, we ready? We ready for liftoff, dude. Oh my god. let's park this thing before I get arrested. What do you think?
It's Easter.
Happy Easter! And we are back home. Spencer, final thoughts?
Swing it.
Swing it? No, I'm not gonna swing it. Shit, that's not the door handle. What are you doing up there? Oh my God, dude. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, dude. If you guys have not driven a Miata, go drive one. Even if it looks like mine, go drive one. Well guys, I have decided to let these wheels go. Ryan's buddy Brandon is picking them up. So I'm honestly, like, I kind of want some gram lights. I want some one piece. Don't know if I'll get gram lights or not, but we're definitely going one piece real wheel. These, I gotta get off. All the lugs should be fine. It's just gonna take a second to try to fit a socket in there. Anyways, what else should we do today? Take some self-tappers, get the fenders actually bolted on. We can try to put the new soft top on. I can steal Emmy's hard top for a little while. I can fix the battery. We have a lot to do. We're gonna dive into it starting in this video and then moving over the next couple of videos. Real quick, if you guys are not subscribed, be sure right now or after the video, go down and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. We clearly have a lot of work to do this Miata, but you guys are gonna see every second of it. Let's do it, boys. Let's dive into this thing. All right, so what we're gonna be doing, we have some 8mm self-tappers here. We have an impact with an 8mm socket. Just like that, we have created a drill. So, just gotta do a little of this, a little of this. Couple more of those things and the fenders are gonna be good, boys and girls. All right, here we go again. Put one self-tapper under the bottom of the fender. For now, this will do.
Nice and sturdy.
Oh yeah. Let's run around to the other side. Oh, a couple more of these boys and we'll be in business. Okay, so I snapped that one off, but that's okay. Self-tappers, guys, are God's gift to earth, so. I'll toss a zip tie right there and call it a day. Let's see what we can do on the other fender. Alright, so I ended up just zip tying the bottom of this one on, similar to how I did the other side. It's zip tied to the underglow. I doubt the underglow still works. Anyways, we're gonna just take these wheels off. I gotta stop filming because my dad's blowing the leaves. I will see you guys when the stocks are swapped over. Alright, so like I promised, the stocks are on and we're good. We're gonna take it back to Advance because we need to rescue Spencer. They close in like an hour and he needs an oil filter wrench, which I don't have one that's like 8 inches across for a goddamn diesel filter. We got the fenders on. The battery is what I'm fixing right when we get back, and then I will probably move into the soft top. This thing's coming along quite nicely so far. Progress wise, I get it doesn't look the best yet, but progress, we're moving along. Are you guys ready? We've got a 3-wheel. Let's see what we got. We good, baby. Yeah, in the center console. We're teaching Ryan how to use right here. Center, like lift, like you're gonna open it, and then the one that looks like a trunk.
Oh yeah, this one.
Bet. Sweet, sweet. So, as you guys can see, loosen these two, shove the wire in there, tighten it back down. Battery is good. Well, let's put it back in its little home. Close enough. We're borrowing Emmy's hardtop. I've made an executive decision just because I want to. We have cleaned out the floors a little bit. Enough to get it looking like an interior. I'm just getting ready to vacuum all the rest of this out. We are good. I'm not gonna mess with the soft top today because that's gonna take way too long. And that is that's from a wrap up today's video. So we've gotten so much done, from it sitting on jack stands in the street, not moving, to some stockies back on it, running, driving, all good stuff. So anyways, guys, I'm going to pull the wagon up here, wash it, wash that. Spencer's, I gotta get this shit out of the way. Spencer, you have any closing notes? No?
Subscribe.
You subscribe? Anything?
That's free.
Yeah, it is free. Anything about your filter? Struggling a little bit? Spencer might have bought the wrong filter. I don't know.
This is the right filter.
I'm just fucking with him. But anyways, like he said, subscribe. Go subscribe. This has been Fitz Miller, the Miata, Ryan, and Spencer back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one.